Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet a rainbow applique. Now as you can see over here, I have combined the rainbow applique with the cloud appliques. The tutorial for this applique is already there in our channel. I shall give the link of the same above for your reference so that you can just go through it and get to know how a cloud applique is done. So when you combine a rainbow applique with cloud applique, it looks more lovely and attractive. These appliques can be sewed on top of a baby cardigan or anything of that sort to make it more attractive. Now let's see how this is worked out. Now as per the sequence of the color goes for a rainbow whip yarn, we'll just sew in that sequence. Here I've used simple half double crochet stitches in a particular sequence. Let's begin the tutorial. For this, the materials that I need are a 3 mm crochet hook, all the 7 colors that we need for making a rainbow, as well as a pair of scissors. So first we'll start with the violet color. So as the sequence of the rainbow goes, we have to just make use of those colors in that particular sequence so that ultimately we will get a lovely rainbow applique, which is very much similar to an exact rainbow. So first, I shall make a magic ring. Into the magic ring, I'll be working 5 half double crochet stitches. Now once this is done, I need to close the magic ring and cut the yarn. So first row is done with violet color. Now for the next row, we need to join the next color, that is indigo. For that I need to go into the last stitch that I had worked and join my yarn over there. I'll tie knots with the previous yarn. Now once this is done, I need to chain 1 and turn my work. Now the sequence for the second row is working 2 half double crochet into each of the stitches. Now since for the row 1 we had done 5 half double crochet stitches, so by end of row 2 we'll be having 10 half double crochet stitches. So you just continue the sequence of working 2 half double crochet per stitch. While making the half double crochet stitches, you just see to that the yarn is hidden under your crochet work. So your work looks very neat when you do like that. So here I am done with the second row of rainbow applique, and again I need to cut the yarn. Now we'll start with the third row. For the third row, I am going for this blue colored yarn. I need to join the same space where I cut the yarn. Again, you need to chain 1 and turn your work. And the sequence for this row is that you will be making 2 half double crochet into the first stitch, followed by 1 half double crochet into the next. So I'll just show you how it is done. Into the first stitch, I'm going to work 2 half double crochet stitches. Followed by 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. So just continue with this sequence till end of the row. So here I have come to the end of the third row with my blue colored yarn. And in total I have done about 15 half double crochet stitches. Now again we need to cut the yarn and finish off with this color. Now into the same space where I cut the yarn, I will be joining my green colored yarn. So for every row we will be changing colors as per the pattern sequence of the rainbow colors. and we need to follow a particular sequence as I'll be mentioning for each row. So it's very simple. Now again we need to chain one and turn the work, and the sequence for the fourth row is working 2 half double crochet into the first stitch followed by 1 half double crochet into the next 2 stitches. So I'll just show you how it is done. So into the first stitch I'll be making 2 half double crochet stitches followed by 1 half double crochet into the next 2 stitches. So you have to just continue the sequence like this till the end of the row. So here I come to the end of the fourth row of the rainbow applique with the green colored yarn, and I have about 20 half double crochet stitches. Now I need to cut the yarn. So at the end of each row you will be cutting the yarn and joining with the new color. Now the next color as per the sequence is yellow. So I need to join the yellow colored yarn. Again I need to make a chain 1 and turn my work, and the sequence for this row is working 2 half double crochet into the first stitch followed by 1 half double crochet into next 3 stitches. So just insert the hook into the first stitch and make 2 half double crochet and work 1 half double crochet into next 3 stitches. So this will be the sequence for the third row, working 2 half double crochet into the first followed by 1 half double crochet into next 3 stitches. So just continue like this till the end of the row. So here I am done with the fifth row of rainbow applique with the yellow colored yarn. Now as we usually do, we need to cut the yarn and join the next color as per the sequence. So now the next color in the sequence is orange. So we will be joining this orange colored yarn. So for the sixth row, again I need to chain 1 and turn my work, and the sequence for this row is working 2 half double crochet into the first stitch followed by 1 half double crochet into next 4 stitches. So into the first stitch I'll be working 2 half double crochet stitches, and into next 4 stitches I need to work 1 half double crochet each. So here I have done with the 4 half double crochet stitches. So you have to repeat this sequence of 2 half double crochet into 1 stitch followed by 1 half double crochet into next 4 stitches till the end of the row. So here I have come to the end of the 6th row with the orange colored yarn. I have a total 30 half double crochet. I need to cut the yarn. I need to join the Z color yarn. This will be the final color for a rainbow applique. Again I need to chain 1 and turn my work, and the sequence for this row would be working 2 half double crochet into the first stitch followed by 1 half double crochet into next 5 stitches. So into my first stitch I'll be making 2 half double crochet, and into the next 5 stitches I need to make 1 half double crochet each. Again I need to repeat the pattern, that is 2 half double crochet into the first stitch followed by 1 half double crochet into the next 5 stitches. So just continue the sequence like this till the end of the row. So here I finished with the 7th round with my red colored yarn and cut off the excess yarn and sewed the yarn on the back part. So that completes our rainbow applique. So when the rainbow applique is sewed along with the cloud applique, it will give you a more lively look to your appliques. So I hope you found this tutorial really very interesting as well as useful too. If you have any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.